There's no home furniture store that sells pieces quite as versatile as Ikea. From using an Oversized unit as a hanging shelf to turning the Kallax shelf into a nightstand, the possibilities are endless when it comes to giving Ikea products alternative uses. So, to help you discover the true potential of your furniture, we've rounded up the 7 best Ikea hacks for the bedroom. These genius ideas are sure to take your living space to the next level. 1. Organize your wardrobe with a lack shelf in your closet. Instead of using the Ikea lack shelf above your bed, flip it over and use it as an organizer for your closet. The cubby spaces it creates over your closet rack is especially handy when it comes time to swap out your seasonal clothes. 2. Free up space with a floating nightstand using a Kallax shelf insert. If you want your room to feel less cluttered, consider having a floating nightstand. This one is made from a laminate shelf and Kallax shelf insert. This simple idea frees up floor space for a hamper or a dog bed. 3. Turn a Kallax shelf into a storage bench for your bedroom. Save on space in your bedroom by transforming your Kallax shelf into a storage bench. Not only will it provide extra seating, but it's an easy way to store any extra items you have lying around your room. 4. Put your jewelry on display using Hafsta frames. This multi-purpose idea is brilliant. Not only is framed jewelry a unique piece of bedroom decor, but it's also a fun way to store your bling when you're not wearing it. 5. Give your PAX wardrobe a whole new look with a raised platform. Dressers are out, floating wardrobes are in. A custom wooden platform and oversized doorknobs were added to this Ikea PAX closet. The extra storage space under the dresser is perfect for shoes, suitcases or any other big items, while the custom shelves built on the side is perfect for smaller items, like books or linens. 6. Use an Oversized unit in the small nook of your room. Not all furniture can fit in the small corner of a bedroom. Luckily, you can still take advantage of the space by mounting an Oversized unit to the wall. Angling the shelving unit will give it a stylish look, and you'll be able to hang anything you want on there from clothes to magazines. 7. Create a bedroom workspace using a tabletop and mom drawers. You can totally create a stunning workspace in your room without compromising storage space. Just add a tabletop over 2 mom chest drawers. You've got a brand new desk with tons of room for your clothes, office supplies and more. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.